Hi! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Ayan ang birthday cake ko. Dali, mga unta ninyo. Blue na lang, kunwari, imagination blue. Hello. Okay. Wish. Sorry. Thank you very much. Okay na? Ikaw ang bahala. Kukuha tayo. Hindi ako masyado kasi matamis yan. Masarap ito. Belgian ano to chocolate Ganon. Diyan ka. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Ano ka na dyan? Cutie ng cake ko, birthday cake ko, okay? Thank you! Love you! Love you everyone! Pwede mo nang anuhin yun. Wais me, ito ko na. Hi guys! Extension of my birthday. Ito yung ating handa. Meron tayong Belgian cake dito. Yan. May pansit. Chicken. Lumpia. Ayan. Meron tayong fish sisi guys. Tapos piniritong isda at saka yung ating fried rice. Okay? Dami kong handa bigla. Actually, I was invited by my friend. She's the one celebrating my birthday. She's the one preparing for me. And I am very much thankful kasi hinandaan niya ako. Thank you to the hosts, to the coffee, who prepare my food for today. So, kain na kami guys. Ayaw naman kasi niya magpakuha ng picture Ayan. So, dito kami guys sa bahay niya. Okay. So, yan. So, thank you very much for preparing my birthday. Kumanta ka nga ng happy birthday para sa akin. Okay. Sige na. Okay. You sing, both of you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Di ba ito ano sa likod? Yung iharap sa akin? Ito. Hindi ba ano? Hindi ko alam kung saan ito. Ano ka ba